Earning commissions from mutual funds typically involves becoming a financial advisor or broker-dealer. Meet regulatory requirements. In most countries, you need to meet regulatory requirements to become a financial advisor or broker-dealer. This often includes passing licensing exams and registering with the appropriate regulatory authorities. Get proper training. Many financial institutions offer training programs for aspiring advisors. These programs provide essential knowledge about mutual funds, financial markets, and investment strategies. Join a broker-dealer or financial advisory firm. To sell mutual funds and earn commissions, you typically need to join a brokerage or financial advisory firm. These firms have agreements with mutual fund companies that allow their advisors to sell their funds. Obtain necessary licenses. Depending on your location and the services you offer, you may need various licenses, such as the Series 6, Series 7, or Series 63 licenses in the United States. Build a client base. As an advisor, you will need to build and maintain a client base. This involves networking, marketing your services, and offering sound financial advice to potential clients. Recommend mutual funds. Assess your client's financial goals and risk tolerance, and recommend mutual funds that align with their objectives. Help clients open accounts and invest in these funds. Earn commissions. You earn commissions based on the investments your clients make in mutual funds. Commissions can vary depending on the type of fund, the investment amount, and your agreement with the brokerage or firm. Provide ongoing support. Continuously monitor your clients' investments, provide updates, and make adjustments as needed to help them achieve their financial goals. Stay informed. The financial industry is ever-changing. Keep yourself informed about market trends, regulatory changes, and new mutual fund offerings. Comply with regulations. Ensure that you adhere to all financial regulations and compliance requirements to maintain your license and uphold ethical standards.